Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you the easiest way to sharpen your kitchen knives. It's a game changer in the world of knife sharpening. To me, it's a must-have for every kitchen enthusiast. So you see here, this knife is extremely dull. Can't even cut through this onion. Put a lot of pressure, I can get it through there, but it's not really cutting. I'm just pushing it through. When it comes to kitchen tools, having a sharp knife is an absolute necessity. This work sharp knife and tool sharpener is designed to make the process effortless, efficient, and precise. It's going to get you professional results in the comfort of your own home. You see here the different guides it comes with. This is the one we're going to be using today for the kitchen knives. And I'll put a link down in the description for this knife and tool sharpener. It's just not limited to kitchen knives. You can do a wide range of tools: pocket knives, scissors, gardening tools, much more. So here you see how simple the guide slides on there. And it comes with different abrasive belts. We're going to get them on there. I'm going to show you how to use this to sharpen your knives. So here we're just getting the red abrasive belt on there. Comes with a green one too. That's more or less for sharpening tools. Unless your knife is really dull, you'd start with the green one. Today we're just going to start with this. See how simple it was to get that abrasive belt on there. You just place it in the guide. You don't want to put too much downward pressure on it. Just sit it in there, turn the machine on, and draw it back. You want to do like 5 times on one side, then we're going to switch to the other side. You just see how effortless and easy this is. Unlike traditional methods that require extensive skills and time, the work sharp knife sharpener simplifies this process. You can come out with consistently every time. Also, the precision sharpening guides are going to maintain the correct angle every time. So after you do 5 times on each side, just run your fingers down. Right now I'm still feeling a little bit of burr on there. So I'm just going to run it through, alternating now. And I'm just going to keep checking until the burr on either side is gone. Right there we have it. So now we're going to take that guide off. We're going to take that abrasive belt off, and we're going to come in with the gray belt, and this is going to hone that blade and get it razor sharp. So again, you see how easy this is. The belt goes right in that track. Then you turn that spring, pops up and tightens it up. Slide that guide right back on. Now when you're using this belt, you're going to want to alternate every time. Just do 10 strokes, 5 on each side. And this video isn't sponsored or anything, but this is just the best, most efficient way I found to sharpen my knives. So after you run it through 10 times, alternating, we're going to test it back out on that same onion. Just look at it now. Just putting no effort in, slicing right through that onion. It's really easy to set up, and you see how quick it was to get a razor sharp knife. So now after we slice that onion, we do the paper test. See how razor sharp that is? That knife wouldn't have been able to do that before we use that sharpener. So like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description for anyone that might want to try one of these out. And thanks for watching.